Hey, you spit your carrot out. You spit your carrot out. Went for the snack. Where's your carrot? Yeah. Hey, hey. Oh, Brooke's wrapping presents. Brooke's got something stuck to her hair. Kai, where's your carrot? Kai, where's your carrot? Hmm? Kai? Hey, Kai, you turn around. You stay, hey, 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 you stay seated. You want me to buckle you up? Kai, do you want me to buckle you? Kai? Hey. No. No. He's listening now like a good boy. Yes, Brooke. Yes, Brooke. Kai? Kai? Kai Joseph.
So far I wrapped 9 presents.
Very good. Say hi. Alright, you goofball. Don't do that. Brooke, that's not even funny. No one but Kai's laughing. Know what's funny?
What?
Come here. I'll show you. Hold on. Turn around.
What?
Turn around for a second.
No.
I'm not going to look at the hole in your butt. I just want to see your hair for a second. Turn around. Keep turning. Now that's funny. And she doesn't even know.
What?
Yeah, Kai knows. He's laughing.
What? I know what it is.
Oh yeah? What is it? It's funny. See, Kai said ha. Alright, say goodbye, Kai. 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 Hey. Say bye. 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 You're looking at the door like you said bye to Nana. Bye. Yay. I'm done.